where to watch Yellowstone and all its spin-offs. Jumping into the family, here's how to stream Yellowstone 1 1883 and 1923 plus a look at the other tie-in series to come. It is no secret that Taylor has built a Montana-based empire from the hit series Yellowstone, starring Costner to spin-offs featuring major actors like Ford and what not so great is trying to hunt down where you can buying watch every show despite airing on the Paramount network. The streaming right were sold to NBC Universal. That means if you want to watch everything you need access to Paramount Plus and Peacock. Here's where you can stream every episode of Yellowstone 1883, 1923 and all the other shows, and where you can accept to find the ones currently in production. Yellowstone Center on Joan 3 Kennewack Costner, his family and high legacy complication and more are fair front as the family are battle to maintain its legacy and the land they believe is rightful not property pressure to return the land to the Broken Rock, India, crowd up with the business developer who want to develop the land for resort force the dots to make life altering designs over the course of 5 seasons. While you cannot currently stream season 5, expect the first half of the season to drop on Peacock a few weeks after the final air on Paramount Network. In this limited series, we get the origin story of the family led by real life power couple time MC Gra and Faith Hill as Dayton and Margaret. The family decides to make the trek west in search of better immigration turn to poor Hellville. They are by Indian attack, smallpox in flighting and more same. Also stars as a farmer gained grappling will the lose of his wife and daughter. 1923 offer viewer a real truth with Pod and Alien as G and this time the Dayton family will have to deal with and great with decimated the West even before the stock market crashed. This show does not hold back with a look at the observed natives served in western boarding schools and a brittle range bar at the forefront. Spin of 1883, the show following the finger base Reeves, who is remembered as the first black as marshal in the West. David and Barry Pepper star in this limited service, considering that Revs occurred over 30 arrests and 40 murdered in self-defense. We can only imagine the story plans to tell. Announced in early 2023, not much is yet known about this series other than it being a follow up to the 1923 series.